Hello everyone, so here we are given this function and we have to find the zeros of this function and the relationship of zeros with its coefficients. So for that we first need to factorize the given equation where we have that the given equation is x square minus 2x minus 8. This is the quadratic equation and we can factorize this by middle term splitting method. So here we need to find a number where the product of those two will be equal to minus 8x square while the sum will be minus of 2x. So for that here we will have that it will be equal to, here we will have minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Now we can take x common from here, so we get x minus 4, and then taking 2 common here we get x minus 4. Now taking x minus 4 common, we get the factors as x plus 2 and x minus 4. So now here the value of x square minus 2x minus 8 is 0. So we need to get this equal to 0. So this will be when x plus 2 will be 0, or we will get that x minus 4 will be 0. So thus we get the zeros of the quadratic equation is minus 2 and x is 4. So therefore we have that the zeros are minus 2 and 4. Now here we will find the sum of zeros. So the sum of zeros will be minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. And now we will have that this must be equal to the coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So here we get that the coefficient of x is minus 2 while the coefficient of x square is 1. So this is divided by 1. And we will have a negative sign here because the sum of the zeros is represented by the minus the coefficient of x upon the, here we get coefficient of x square, and further solving it we get that this is equal to 2, which is in respect with the sum of zeros, so hence this is verified. Now here we will find the product of zeros. So we will get the product of zeros. So that will be equal to minus 2 multiplied by 4, and that is equal to minus 8. Now here this must be equal to constant term. So the constant term here is, here we have the constant term minus 8. So the constant term is minus 8 divided by the coefficient of x square, which is 1. So thus we have find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of it. So here we have verified this. So I hope you now have a better understanding of the question.